them that about me.
My ascension is through the roof. I peaked interest.
That's what I specialize in.
Here's what you about to be sorry, bro.
I've been the best! I've been the best! Hurry!
Where's my man? Battle Rap Fiend, get on this shit.
Do you believe in an intersecting universe? I do. It's like a portal to go from one universe to another. So when I see you, shots eat you. Face stone. They gotta travel to another universe to ID you. Do you believe in an intersecting universe? I do. Cause this where it gets deep. In this universe, you got all your hair. And you battle Loaded Lux next week. Murder Mook begging to battle you while you live it up. Might I add, Vicky is drug-free and she is thick as all your kids go to private school. They happy that the money daddy make. Your son in ATL, you ain't just meet him, he in law school about to graduate. You've headlined Summer Madness after Summer Madness. Devin, you gotta go there. This too ready to say you 12 racks out of nowhere. This intersecting universe, I'm telling you, Mike, it's all culture. I'm saying, I'm trying to show you you can't go parallel because you can't cross over.